your Spotify is having some trouble, like empty playlist or empty like song, so first delete this Spotify and run install, and then you need to go ahead and download this application from description, all right, or the comment. Then simply hit an install. Open this application and then simply log in, continue with, and hit on login. Maybe later. Now go to your library and your like song. There we go, it's working completely fine. So now let's play some music. So you can see pretty fine right now. So I'm happy with this. So if you guys are happy, let me know in the comment. See you guys in the next video. Peace.